Hey, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Another Razer edition update is here for the Redmi Note 8 users. I am the maintainer of this one. This one's the latest MIUI 12.5, latest based on 21.1.27. It's actually a ported ROM because Redmi Note 8 already got the Android version 11. So this one is actually based on Android version 10, ported from Lavender. Android 11 is getting some little bit of issues. That's why we just released this Android 10 build once again. This build has some new changes, some little bit of new stuff which I'm gonna share with you in this video. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So guys, as I previously told you, this one's the latest version which is based on 21.1.27 EU ROM, beta ROM, and this one is actually have the latest Android version 10, not Android version 11. I already told you the reason behind that. I have the Redmi Note 8 and talking about the stability and smoothness. If you're looking for the smoothness and if you have ever used MIUI on a Redmi Note 8, of course you have ever used because this device comes with MIUI pre-installed. This ROM is quite fast. I didn't use much faster ROM than this one, and yes, I'm also not a MIUI lover, but after using this for some time, I can say this is just great. After all, it's a MIUI, so of course just don't expect much from it, but as a MIUI this is super duper fast. So if you're looking for a fast custom ROM based on MIUI, this might be a very good choice for you. I've not applied any kind of theme right now. We have the default theme which have default icons available, gamer zone, wallpaper as expectedly, very cool kind of wallpapers are available. Status bar default icons are also changed, or you can say the default theme is actually themed. Normal widget which was available previously also. Let me show you by going into theme store. Here if we go to the my account option, we have many kind of wallpapers options available. For example, if I'm gonna choose this wallpaper, click on apply and click on lock screen, home screen, or both, wherever you want to apply that. We applied that and this is how it's looking like. The theme is looking quite good here. Default icons are also looking quite good, as you can see. It also has another theme which is pre-installed. Let me show you which theme I was talking about. Just go to theme store and here we have the origin style, which is the theme which you get pre-installed here. So if you're looking for some default themes, this is also very good kind of theme for you, so you can use this theme also. It's up to you. Origin style is the name of the theme, designed by Constantino, who is a very cool kind of developer for these kind of themes. Other things same here. We also have some fonts pre-installed like the Core Mellow, Google Sans, Digital Sans Now, and some other things which was actually available in the previous builds also, but this looks good. The default UI is changed as I previously told you. It also has the always on display, and yes, it's working fine. Let me show you by going into settings and apply always on display. If we go here, if we choose the style, there are many styles options available. For example, if we go to this option which is actually the theme store, here we go. Here we have many themes, many kind of always on display logos, styles are available. Just go here, you can find many things. For example, if you want to apply this one, click this one, you'll be redirected to the theme store. For example, if we click here, go to download this one, this is always on display theme, so it might not take that much time. As you can see, it's done. So click on apply and it's done. So let me show you that how it is actually looking like. Just go back, we applied this one. So just go here and turn off the display and let me show you how is this looking like. This is how it's looking like. This is always on display, and yes, it's looking damn cool and interesting. Of course, it's not recommended because your device has a LCD display, but for show off, this might be a very good kind of choice for you. Other things are same here, don't get any extra features available. But if you go for the display, as you already know, light mode and dark mode options are available. Here we have the anti-flicker mode option available, which I'm not sure if it is working or not, but you can simply enable it by going into modes to regular or anti-flicker and including that. This is a very good kind of option for you, and it's also not working. This is kind of a prank, but a very good kind of thing to, you can say, show off or whatever else you want to talk about. With a normal standard 60 Hz, you can choose up to 90 Hz, which is not working, but that's a very good kind of things to show off. You can take a screenshot, share with your friends. This might be a very cool kind of things for you. Other things are same here. We have these kind of options: display, sound, vibration. If you go to the home screen, Same kind of options are available. You can simply arrange items in recents to vertical or horizontal. It has extended power menu like EU, and the default power menu, wait, let me show which default power menu I was talking about, is from the latest MIUI 12.5, which is quite great. If you go here, just go for this power menu, this is how this latest power menu looks like. Also, if you're looking for the safety net status, that's passed. So yes, you'll be able to use the banking apps without any issues. Let me show you by going into checking safety net status. As you can see, CTS profile is true, basic integrity is true. Safety net is passing without any issues. You can use this. So this was all from today's video. If you're looking for some things to install, just need this ROM file and you can flash this. Instructions, etc. Everything is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.